Robotic cleaning has come a long way in 2025. We are not just talking vacuums anymore. These new models vacuum, mop, self-empty, self-wash, and even dry themselves so you barely have to lift a finger. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop combos of 2025. I'll cover performance, smart features, pros and cons, and who each is best for. Stick around to the end for a comparison breakdown and my personal top recommendation. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C20. The Eufy C20 is all about convenience in a smaller package. At only 3.35 inches tall, it's one of the slimmest robots with a full docking system. That means it can slide under couches, chairs, and even beds where dust bunnies love to hide. During my tests, I noticed the suction is strong enough for everyday debris, pet hair, crumbs, and dirt. It's not the strongest on the list, but for most homes it's plenty powerful. Where it shines is automation. The mop pads wash and dry automatically, so they don't get musty, and the dustbin empties itself into the station. This means you can go weeks without lifting a finger. Pros: slim enough for under furniture cleaning, balanced suction and mop performance, hands-free maintenance with auto wash dry, great price compared to premium models, people living in apartments or homes with lots of low furniture. If you hate dust under your bed, this is your best friend. Number 2. Shark AV2610WA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Shark AV2610WA is perfect for families, especially those with pets. Unlike most robots that rely on disposable bags, Shark's base is bagless. That's a huge money saver because you won't be buying replacement bags every few months. It also features sonic mopping, which scrubs the floor with vibrations, tackling sticky messes better than robots that just drag a damp pad. I found this particularly useful in the kitchen where spills and dried stains are common. Its suction is strong and the navigation is reliable. It's not quite as advanced in AI as Roborock, but Shark makes up for it with ease of use and affordability. Pros: bagless HEPA self-empty base, no replacement bags needed, sonic scrubbing mops for tough messes, pet hair pickup is excellent, 60-day hands-free cleaning, pet owners, families, or anyone tired of buying replacement bags. This is an eco-friendly and budget-friendly choice. Number 3. Eufy X10 Pro Omni. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni is a serious upgrade over the C20. It's smarter, stronger, and far more autonomous. With 8,000 pascal suction, it's noticeably more powerful. The dual mops rotate to scrub floors, and when the robot detects carpet, they automatically lift 12 millimeters so your rugs don't get wet. What I love most is the AI obstacle avoidance. This means the robot sees shoes, cables, pet toys, and avoids them. No more tangled brushes or wet socks. The station even refills clean water automatically, so you don't have to top it up every day. That's next-level convenience. Pros: strong suction with carpet detection. Dual mop lifting keeps carpets dry. AI obstacle avoidance saves headaches. Fully automated dock with self-refill. Busy households that want almost completely hands-off cleaning. Number 4. Roborock Qrevo S5V. Here comes the heavy hitter, the Roborock Qrevo S5V. This machine boasts a jaw-dropping 12,000 pascal suction. That's one of the strongest on the market right now. If you've got thick carpets, this is the robot for you. But it doesn't stop there. Roborock's FlexiArm mop is a genius addition. Most robot mops miss the corners and edges of your room, but this one extends its mop pad to scrub right up against the baseboards. It also comes with dual anti-tangle brushes, which are excellent for homes with pets. And of course, it has the full self-cleaning station that washes and dries mops, empties dust, and refills water. Pros: market-leading suction power. FlexiArm mop scrubs corners and edges. Dual anti-tangle brushes for pets. Full automation dock. Large homes, pet owners, and anyone who wants the most powerful cleaning robot available. Number 5. Roborock Qrevo Series QV35A. The Roborock QV35A is the balanced option. Think of it as the younger sibling of the S5V. You get strong 8,000 pascal suction, spinning mops that scrub at 200 rotations per minute, and the same smart obstacle avoidance Roborock is known for. It doesn't have the FlexiArm Edge mop or the insane 12,000 pascal suction, but it also comes at a much friendlier price. For most households, this is more than enough power. Pros: great balance of suction and price. Spinning mops clean effectively. Obstacle avoidance works well. More affordable than premium Roborocks. Mid-range buyers who want premium cleaning without paying flagship prices. So, which robot vacuum and mop combo is right for you? If you want slim design and great value, go for the eufy C20. If you're a pet owner or allergy sufferer, the Shark AV 2610WA is the winner. If you want smart AI obstacle detection, the eufy X10 Pro Omni is for you. If you want maximum suction and edge-to-edge cleaning, the roborock Qrevo S5V is unbeatable. And if you want balance between power and price, choose the roborock QV35A. My personal favorite? The roborock Qrevo S5V. It's pricey, but the power, edge mop, and pet-friendly design make it future-proof. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your choice. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.